Handy tips and tricks for home businesses. Do you dream of working from home so that you can spend more time with your family? Many people do, but starting a home-based business can be a little frightening if you don't know where to begin. This video will detail some tips and tricks to help you do just that. Since your home is also your workplace, make a point to get out of the house on a regular basis. Don't isolate yourself for the sake of convenience. Go have lunch in the park, grab your coffee at a bookstore, etc. Just make sure you are out breathing fresh air at least once a day. Buy a website that has e-commerce capability. Before you buy, decide whether you want to hire someone else to build your site or do it yourself. Many services offer a website domain and hosting package, with tools to help you build your own site and load a catalog of products to sell. Have the proper equipment to run your business. Equipment that is related to your business like a computer or printer is tax deductible in the year that the expense occurred. To qualify for a tax write-off, the equipment must be primarily used by the business and necessary for your business to run properly. As part of your home business, keep track of any miles that you drive. When you do your taxes, you will be able to count these as a deduction. This will save you money and help you out during tax time. You need to set up a separate checking account for your home business. It is important to keep your personal finances and the business finances separate. This is so that you can show the IRS that you are not embezzling money or trying to evade paying taxes on your business. It will make for less hassle when tax time comes around. If you want to make some of the products you sell in your home business, take careful account of how much it costs to product it. 2 times the cost of the raw material is typically the wholesale price of a product. 2 times the cost of wholesale pricing is the cost of retail in many cases. If the final retail price is prohibitive, you will struggle to shift the product. Now that you are in the know about some of the ways you can begin your own home-based business, starting up should be a snap for you. Get prepared, work hard, and start enjoying all the benefits of working from home, including spending a lot more time with those you love. Student loan.